I built a few AI avatars of myself, some free, some paid. Then I killed them. Please like and subscribe. Hit that alert button. I work in IT, and we always focus on continuous improvement. I thought that getting on YouTube, I would need to constantly put out videos, whether they be long form and shorts for advertisements, that eventually the more reps, the more practice I got, the better I'd be. The faster I could put out content, the more likely my channel would grow. I work in IT, the hours are long, the free time is limited. When I am home, I've got a family and 4 dogs, so my time is always booked, leaving me with a very small shooting window. So I thought to myself, hey, if I could make a digital avatar, I could put out more content by not having to shoot the video. I built them in HeyGen. I tried the paid version. I built another one in HeyGen, tried the free version. Those videos were out there. That channel has been deleted. I also used Google Flow, and when they came out with their Omni-based avatars, I tried one of those. None of them were me. They looked like me. They didn't quite sound like me. The HeyGen ones looked funny to me because I tried to follow the instructions. I tried to appear not stiff, but when I talk with my hands, and so when the HeyGen was repeating, my hands, the lips, they weren't lining up. It just wasn't me. So with HeyGen, the free version just looked terrible. I did not like the way I looked. I didn't like the way I sounded. I just didn't like it. The paid version, on the other hand, when I put it out there, I've been having problems with my audio, and the first thing I was told by a couple of my friends was, "Hey, that's the best you've sounded on the video." So I was like, "Great!" And it wasn't even my voice. They were just talking about the quality of the audio. But they gave me crap because I said, well, it looked like me, that I was doing some weird stuff, and I was doing weird stuff because the AI avatar wasn't me. When I used Google Flow, it did look like me, but it used a synthetic voice that was nowhere near mine. It made up a fake room. It swapped the wall art that was behind me on camera. It gave me a second Mac that doesn't even exist in my room. It was super zoomed in on my face, and I would have to go back and do a voiceover anyway, so it wasn't going to add that much value, and it was an approximation of me and not the real me. Hicksfield with C-Dance, I'm going to be honest with you, it was too expensive, it was too complicated, and I just didn't do it. By this time, I had basically figured out that if I was going to be on YouTube, I needed to be me. Not close to me, not digital me. I needed to be me. And so I've got 2 channels. One where I do work as me and I explore cloud code and AI. And on the other channel, I explore the Mac Mini that I have and all the wonderful things you can do with home labbing and using the Mac Mini for different things. Hopefully what makes those channels unique to viewers is I'm a dad, I'm neurodivergent, I've got ADHD, I'm in IT leadership, I've been in IT for over 25 years, I've been in executive management for over 10 years. So what's the lesson in this? Well, honestly, it's that the lazy version might look the same from the outside, but that's how I felt. It may not have been lazy because I was still writing the script, I was still making sure the words were said, but at the end of the day, the audience perception was it wasn't authentic. I already sound like an LLM when I talk. That's comments I get. And so if I already sound robotic and I already sound like AI, using AI to speak for me just was not going to go well. At the end of the day, I built this channel to help support my son and my family. Please hit that like and subscribe button. Take care. Wish y'all the best, and I'll see you in the next one.